Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. I don't know how about you, but following the holiday season, I am really ready to eat something nice and light. But it doesn't mean it cannot be nourishing, comforting, and delicious. So today, I am making Korean style shrimp soup. So here's everything that I will be using today. Got some dry anchovies, lots of garlic, dry kelp, tashima, beautiful Napa cabbage leaves, very important for you to choose the beautiful ones. Got green onion, Korean radish, shiitake mushrooms, fresh, light soy sauce, red pepper paste, bean paste, 2 tablespoons pepper flakes. So now just roughly chop cabbage, peel the radish, about this thickness. Now with this onion, let's remove this outer layer. It doesn't look too good. And just give it a rough chop. Remove stems from the mushrooms. And now I'm gonna set mushrooms aside for actual dish, but I'm gonna keep the stems and use it for this stock. Kelp, clean the anchovies, head goes in stock, then this guts, remove. There you go. Now this garlic, all I'm gonna do is this. That's it. And now just add this with the skin. It's gonna be more delicious because at the end we will strain it all anyway. Now go in with 6 cups of water. Now just bring this to boil. Once it does, reduce the fire and simmer for 20 minutes. This is the type of simmer I'm looking for. Nice and low. By the magic of video edit, 20 minutes later, we have this. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, so now shut off the heat and set this aside. We've got a little bit of work to do on the mushrooms. Just a reminder, do not wash mushrooms with water because they will just absorb everything. If you see some kind of debris, just take paper towel and clean it. Just like that, no water. To make them look a little bit fancier, let's make a V-shape cut. Something like this. Take the final dish you will use and now strain the broth. I would like to keep radish and cabbage, so let's get those in. And now you can dispose of all this. However, you can eat all of this. This is all good. But for our purposes here, just going to discard. Now it's time to season this. So start with the bean paste. This thing is a bit chunky, so what we'll do, take like a half tablespoon and a smaller sieve and just massage it in there. This way you will season the soup, but the clumps and chunks are going to remain in the sieve. Now see, there's nothing wrong with eating this, but to maintain the color of the soup light, just use this method. Pepper paste. I'm gonna go with one more. Light soy sauce. Give this a taste. Look at this beautiful color. Ah, wow, that is great. Pepper flakes. Use about half of the amount first. And let's heat this up again. I'm going in with the shrimp and I'm keeping them whole because these days everything is, sold in pieces, but it's nice to see your food, get connected to it, The mushrooms. Now let's just cook until the shrimp are ready. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more gochugaru onto the shrimp. Well, it is time to try it. Got a personal serving of this here. Start with the broth. Very, very savory, very comforting. Cabbage and radish. The radish is so soft. Mushroom. The shrimp. Gotta be careful, it's probably going to squirt all over the place. So sweet. Well, it is exactly what I wanted. Nice, light, but savory, comforting food. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I wish you nothing but the best. I'll see you next time.